When I tell you guys there are levels to this wig thing, do believe me, because with elfin hair, they are at it again. They sent me this beautiful hair, and as you can see, we're going to be rocking a lot of styles while reviewing this particular wig. Anyway guys, hello, welcome back again to yet another hair review. It is your favorite baby girl, Mama Dyna Ekwueme, in the building. We will be unboxing in this video and also reviewing this seamless crochet braids 100% human hair extensions. As you can already see, they sent us a lot inside this bag. They sent us a crochet needle, a wig cap, actually 2 wig caps, and a wig. This wig that I can wear or rock whenever I'm feeling extra comfortable. And then the main deal of the day, which are the crochet extensions. These human hair extensions just had me wowing the whole time. Like every year, this company finds a way to upgrade and just make life easier for them wig girlies. And as you can see, this Pixie Curls crochet human hair came in 2 packs, and each pack has 5 rings. Each ring has neatly arranged hair extensions attached to it. It's just very lightweight, very easy to remove, very human hair-ish, I would say. As you can already tell, I came with my natural hair, and my hairstylist here, who has always done an amazing job for me when it comes to anything, styling hair, just got on with it. Looking at this, you can see how easy it is to remove each of the extension from the ring. And even putting it on my hair was easy peasy. To put this using the crochet needle wasn't difficult at all. You can do it yourself, and within minutes you can get this done. It is very lightweight. It is not complicated. It is easy to remove, easy to just crochet into your hair. And even to remove it, you just need to loosen your braided hair. That's it. This is absolutely not complicated at all. Just holding the hair, feeling the hair. You wouldn't even feel like you're holding anything. It is that lightweight. By the time I knew what was happening, we're already done with the full pack. At this juncture, this point in this video, a whole pack was already used on my hair. You can see how full it is, depending on how you want it. If you want it really voluminous, you can buy extra, maybe 1, or however you want it. Some people prefer to use 2 packs. Some people may want to use 3 packs. It took 45 minutes to get this crochet braids 100% human hair extensions fully installed in my hair. You can see how these 2 packs of this particular crochet braids is just looking. It looks really full, really voluminous. It looks like I even used 3 packs. This stylist did an amazing job just getting everything looking all cute. This is so lightweighted. I don't even know how to explain this. Every girl in 2025 needs this crochet braids. I was just feeling pretty, looking beautiful. Just, yeah, this is fire. This particular wig is fire. If you need the full details of this particular wig, or you would love to purchase this wig, check the description area below. All the details will be there. You can even get discount when you click the link in the description area to just purchase this hair directly from www.mybraidedwigs.com. come. I'd love to know what you guys think about this particular hair. You can style it however you want. In this particular video, we tried different styles. Like, that's one thing I love about this wig. You cannot just go wrong with it. You can style it however you choose to style it. Whether you want to let the hair down, whether you want to pack it all up, whether you want to pack it to the side, however you choose to style this wig is gonna come out looking natural, because it's human hair, of course. It's just for them girls, If you're a wig lover, you need to purchase this wig. I absolutely am in love with this particular wig. All the details, like I said, will be in the description area below. Do check it out. Give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I see you guys in another video. For now, bye bye.